K.Smart was shared across the social media platforms of the station. We checked and found he was wrong. It is not true.
Abuja from Mamu Nyama Kwaba, Ediba Ghana and Sem TV so. But I'm on this like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Say next time. Videos of this nature, also submit to my cabinet. So watch your comment section. Maybe whom you from Mr. President and Major also TikTok or comment section. But be about whom you from Mr. President and Major also. For you need dream say that should be the new patriotic party about power. Na ya bana Ghana for you na what to. I'm more ready. The need to Sudan say man we need that to be na. The be a mekasim be say amanya some ye no. So what money under wa. Who bet you the moment I be hold the public office, and they say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement. Nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, mommy enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President.
This is the very first time our finance minister can media budget. No one sang kubuseska.
Maybe let's listen again.
This is the very first time our finance minister can media budget. No one sang kubuseska.
This claim by Y0uth TV host K.Smart was shared across the social media platforms of the station. We checked and found he was wrong. It is not true that Y0uth in 2026 was the first minister to present mid-year budgets without requesting supplementary funds. Evidence: once upon a time in 2022 and 2023, during presentations of the mid-year budgets, Ofui said,
"In spite of the underperforming revenues and strong external headwinds, we are not seeking."
In 2024 also said,
"Accordingly, Mr. Speaker, we are not seeking supplementary funds in this mid-year review."
K.Smart's claim:
this is the very first time our finance minister can mid-year budget. No one sang kubuseska.
It's false. Visit GhanaFacts.com to read more about this report.
Any party for?
Yeah.
Yeah, Chicheni party for.
What's say?
Yeah, Chicheni party for. One for captain picture. And go or bed draw who the new say. So on yet, you know. I don't know, dear. It's permitted. Obia or ye cartoon, and the year ye biano, Obia the hobbit my papa channel. So why a cartoon tea, yacho. Then also before picture. Then yellow Photoshop. A young sardina, a president. No question the rig. I mean, Eddie. How should we tolerate this in this country? I didn't ya. Eddie, some move now a policy for year, no. In fact, almost save this country. Share or more check guy, no. What one less pictures in the dome wall in make for share or one deleting in.
Now we are
Ghana police should be proactive. This country will move forward. But say LPP boys, the way no more shapes are pictures, you know. Yet cheap baba.
Yet Yanni Taku, Sempoa, Obia Caricoko, bear bag do, Wakwani a man 5 million. Satam 31 million, Sunka, 300 and something million. Aye, Wakwani a man 5 million, no, they are better on Chinedi. No, a safa from co, no, a quaji 2 million, no, they are better, Kobe. Sa, Yashisikano. Ghana ni, say na Ghana ni pe. Emma Ghana ni, me say Ghana ni hutono. One na so ne branyina, what the ma yesi, nsem hunu tie, any yesi, asa, one bibia bi. Na koko kuani akwaji sika. Otukono kan say yesika mu ensi dan ensi hwe eno asa da obema ne de atua ne ba fees no na akwaji abeto dem na da ho uwi a waka chensa wa hwe ne ba wonte ne ye wo kanase otom wonte ase first year student ya na esi ebetuo mo kai Your mama by oh sika we ya yede. Ghana ni enim sa nyansa no onuru ho enti eye waste of money on tua. Because oh yeah Ghana ni nkan. Ghana ni won kaya kamu ni opposition. Kofo ba cancellation of basic school fees. Mampani kof enkwada na ye de omo dom mo ye adwuma din aburo ma ho odin so. Kofo na be stop we nyina. Ekosi sai ya yere no ma na kwa wo so fa ye kete kokwa ekosi sai free health insurance free maternal health care ekosi sai kokwa akuafo na kofo nwu omumfuo tukwa nyasi akomo omaduro wa fa nipa a ebegu afuo no so kwa yasa to abatu no Ghana ni adwene mienuru kwan na Ghana ni ya Americani na wa hyehyɛ daache de ama no gina ne konso bunukom mia no eno ano no wawie
edemano unya Kamila Al-Hassan ayi teacher ni yo se hwan ya woni akora bi de ba yi o de ne betena ho sopa na wo DJ K unim se atintenhu ta woto na wo hwiri treasure unim se atintenhu eta woto na wo hwiri treasure onzo obi anka bi ma o DJ K onzo obi anka bi ma sa na wiase ne tie so obi asamba fa we afutuo obi asamba susuka na wonnim de da wanim obi asamba susuka na me me srema wo se ebi mu be defend no wo be defend DJ K sasai enim guase we ya wagu ne ho hey DJ K nya ni pa asem wo ka no okromu a me se me DJ K no minim de ntia me se me kasa wakama asem me wakama asem ya asa ne ye nya nipa asa ye de ne ye mfura busuam ene de wo me se baby awo no ankasa no baby isu no ko fine na faye somebody can catch us say afaye pa enti ne yentimi enka no sade enka ese ye ka no ene wu nti Kamila Al-Hassan otwa krom ha chese DJ K na wu ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha so obi ya na ade na wonti ase a memfa ne se nipa ne sabi onim de wo ye wu ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha on say so tam yesi wo platform ne so a ya na memfiu utam me nua ba political babies esi wo platform ne so a onse ya ne yemfiu ya na ho yesere ya na video ni ehwe ni say ya ene de ho na ho hye wo no ene wo na ho hye wo no me se Kamila Al-Hassan ba bi owo bia ne kra ene ne kra ni beba ne ho so ne kra ni beje na explanation be na de beba abonten enra me ye video ba akoma na eno ne ye part 1 we ye part 2 me twen so obesa ba abonten abekeka obeti aden na mumu bi munya nipa munsusu ha DJ K misise wa we awe nsem a o ka fa me ho DJ K and then na o hye ho no next time ufu akokwa a obefre no alolo ewiase na ho kwa ene ewiase no ensa emmeka wo no yenkoka no ano a emmeka wo no yenkoka no Kamila Al-Hassan video ba wo si obia wo ho kwan se video ba abonti on be kirechiro ma adwene ene wo so de aba ye be kirechirem ye de pen ni paper beto ho na wo kra se won sa anya good unsa anya good
wo de be man ko foforo won fa ma assembly won fa ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for won fa anya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no enya wa sako hwe no sako shi ta nso tonshina baby shi hey who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what a pad saga wide we say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher, and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock, and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Join down. See, we did be a can once. On my way, just say you name on my issue. I walk. For your shady, my papa, and not down who for Dr. Large Mahmoud Bomia, you get them out on my way. Any 2024 elections echo, and no man Dr. Bomia, and then a digital Ghana for some bar, way, a mayor mamona. Monsieur, Maki and Sem Patadi and Sakai. Serious. So I can, in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be a leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, Yetimi Enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impuye because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is intimate because of time. But those ones yetimi go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals are not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, me look say yeah, hospitals and they go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan who say na no me nyina be ya. It is a scan kan kan dey wasa botumi say oh, I mean say we say people for ya comfort. Name ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what they are hospitals na mo so mo ya comfort. A comfort ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya comfort. You say anya Ghana for dey bi. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women omo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho. 2020 Jua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa, and I feel them go watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem say bi, me na me go catch you Rajon Dramani ma say all members come to Mutuwa. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo say there bi. Digitalization and to kinki, nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba, omo ma mo kinki, amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. And the Rajon Dramani mama could not and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, now what they are making and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but Banama boom, 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 much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say, dear, go your credit, and you now to me who let a be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now, Miss Fiums, hey, Ramona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.